Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy PEPE Coin on Coinbase Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Coinbase Wallet and then you need to tap on this browser icon in the bottom. After that, you will be able to see the top tabs that you can use in order to buy PEPE with the help of your Coinbase Wallet. But we are going to use Uniswap as it is one of the best out there. So you just have to simply tap on Uniswap and wait for some time until Uniswap launch. After that, you just have to simply connect your Coinbase wallet with it. For that, tap on the connect button that would be in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you just have to simply tap on the connect in order to connect it. So my Coinbase wallet was previously connected, so first I'm going to show you how you can easily connect it. So once you are on Uniswap, you need to tap on the connect button and then you need to select the connect button again, and this way you will be able to connect your Coinbase wallet with Uniswap. Now you can have some Ethereum in your account and you can purchase PEPE, but before that you need to simply get the contract address of PEPE, and in order to get it you just have to simply open your web browser, and here you just have to come to coinmarketcap.com. Now in the search bar you need to search for PEPE and then tap on PEPE. Now you need to scroll down and select the Ethereum network and you need to copy this address from here. Now after copying it, you need to come back to Uniswap, and here in the select token section you just have to simply tap on it and paste the address of PEPE that we have just copied from CoinMarketCap. Now after doing so, you will be able to find PEPE in the list, so you need to simply tap on it. Now you can enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to spend in order to purchase PEPE, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of PEPE you will get. Now it will also show you the transaction fees that you need to pay, so you just have to simply tap on the shop button and now you will get your PEPE coin in your Coinbase wallet. In order to view them, you can either tap on the home icon in the bottom, and here you will be able to see your balance on the top, or you can even tap in the bottom right hand corner of the screen in order to view your assets in your Coinbase wallet. So I hope this video was help you out, and if it does, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.